กลับร้านด้วยครับตรวจตั๋วนะครับ
Welcome to our market, my favourite place in Northbury, on the outskirts of Bangkok. This place has got market, like Kabu style flea market, seafood, all the food stores you can imagine. It's humongous. Just have a look at this place. Let's have a look at some of the stores then. Before I take you to get my first dish, what I'm going to try, which is going to be some kind of seafood, I think. I've got to take you out on one of my favourite spots that helps me get the munchies on. Show you some more stalls on the way to getting there. Right, we have arrived. So, if you want to see me eat lots of dishes, you have to bear with me for 5 because someone needs a tea break. Back in 5. Right, that's me all ready for the munchies. Let's go pick some big ass prawns or something like that. Excited. So I'm going to go for this belly pork instead. Wait till you see this. So I've ordered the pork belly. Looks absolutely amazing. Show you when it comes in a sec. Well, I'm sat with basically all the locals. I'm the only English white geezer I've seen here tonight. Where there's thousands. So it's nice just to be part of the actual culture. So yeah. Right, let's give it a try. Oh yeah. So, sweet and sour, so tender. Right, I'm gonna scram this away. We'll have enough spare again. Peace. Right, I'll give that about a 7 out of 10, but fill the first gap. No, let's have another one. Now, I've got to actually get some bits in the bit anyway. I've got to get some pillars. Just myself, right, very comfortable. I've got to get some bits and bobs. So let's work out, see how much that works out to, shall we? Right then, let's go and have a look. Down the pillar place. There's all Louis. Sawadika. Can I get
Anna,
one?
200.
Chai.
จ้า
Chai.
ค่ะ
Everyone's so friendly. Yeah.
ค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณนะคะ
Right, I'm ready for dessert and a milkshake. So I'm pretty much done in. I've ate too much today. I'm going to do an actual proper just seafood night where I do all the different seafoods. So you'll have to wait for another video for that. If you ain't already subscribed, do us a favour, costs you nothing and keeps me going. So yeah, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'm going to show you what we have for dessert now.
หันหน้าไปคุยกับเขาหน่อยดิโอ้นี่อันนี้ถ่ายรูปขอ40แล้วถ่ายรูป
29เป็น49 บาทครับพี่คนละครึ่งได้ได้ครับเอาไหนครับ
As you can tell how busy it's got now, it's like literally like sardines. I'll cook how much more, so screw the dessert off. We'll have a proper dessert video soon. I'm getting knackered now. But yeah, I hope you like the place. I have stopped off at one last place, which is it's a little tea store in the middle of the market. This called blackgrass jelly. It's got cherry pieces in it. And it's basically ice cold cocoa with cherry pieces in it. It's absolutely amazing. And that was only 55 baht. I'll do the conversion right here. I'm just going to enjoy this. I wish you could taste it through the, yeah, try it. Wish you could taste it through the camera. But yeah, just going to get a ride back home. See the roads looking mental. So on the way back, I did end up going back round and finding a few more stores to get my stuff, but it was too busy to try and vlog it. I got me some pillars, some other bits, so I'll show you when we get back. But then I realised there's always quicker ways back. I couldn't get on the back of a scooter with all this stuff, So I thought, yeah, tuk-tuk is the way forward. Open air, 70 baht, which is only. So yeah, it's on the way back now.